Rulers seem to be the #1 tool that students do not know how to use in the art room. Students have a really hard time holding and managing two things at once. For example, holding a ruler flat with one hand while they draw a straight line with the other, or holding a paper still while cutting a fluid line with the other hand. Even tracing or using stencils is a challenge. Today we'll discuss a few ways to encourage students to keep one hand steady while the other hand is moving, demonstrating careful, controlled movements. Let's get started. Hi art teachers! My name's Dani Dermer and I'm a pediatric occupational therapist in Maryland. When it comes to holding a ruler, if your student has trouble managing both hands together, look for rulers that have a built-in grip, or try adding adhesive foam or painter's tape to give it a sort of handle. Practice stability by having an external support such as a book. Hold down one side of the ruler and slowly reduce the external support as students get more stable with using both hands together. Hand placement can be guided with different colored marks or stickers to help prompt students where to hold, such as holding the green dot with your hand for optimal stabilization. When it comes to tracing stencils, stabilize the stencils with some of the previously mentioned items, such as putting the edge under a book or having masking tape available to add stability. Reduce the amount of tape you're using as confidence and skill level grows. Play around with taping various corners or sides so that you can also have this as a measurable way to judge progress by reducing it to one tiny piece of tape at the top for support or removing it all together. For young students who are just learning to trace for the first time, you can also start with more stationary items like magnets that are held in place with minimal need for non-dominant support when tracing. Then gradually build up to harder challenges. Strong magnets like magnetic tiles on top of a paper-lined metal cookie sheet or similar item, or a horizontal surface such as a whiteboard, can be great for learning to practice tracing geometric shapes, whether it's on a horizontal or vertical surface. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which tips do you think will be helpful with your students this year? Make sure you like this video if it was helpful and subscribe so that you don't miss more tips and tricks for the classroom. Bye!